Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today you join us for another travel vlog outside of Manchester Airport. Just got here on the bus, and I know what you're probably all thinking. Who is this gorgeous girl next to me? Well, this is my girlfriend who's going to be joining us on this trip. Looking forward to it.
Yeah,
we're going to Disneyland Paris.
I'm really excited.
Yeah, Disneyland Paris. You have been before, haven't you? But
when I was little.
Yeah, only when you was little. I came, I think, a couple of years back now. So yeah, going to be good to get back. But we've just come into the bus station here. We got the bus from where we live. £3 it was, so not too bad. But there was a bit of traffic along the way, so yeah, it was a bit. Took a bit longer than I thought actually. But we're flying with EasyJet today, and our flight's at 2:25
Yeah.
Am I right in saying that?
I think so, yeah.
I mean, we're travelling light today. We're not going to check in any cases. We're only going for a week, so we didn't feel the need to bring a case with us. So that should speed things up a little bit. But yeah, Disneyland Paris.
Very exciting.
So I mean, I think we'll get a move on now. What time are we looking at? We're at about 12 o'clock now, something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll take you along for the travel vlog. Flying to Charles de Gaulle Airport from Manchester. We're going through Terminal 2, aren't we?
Yeah.
So without any further ado, let's get on with the travel vlog. We're off to a good start. Yeah. It's not Terminal 2 we're flying from, is it?
No, because Ryan read his boarding card wrong and it's Terminal 1.
It's Terminal 1, so I was reading it on the way back for Terminal 2. So we're heading to Terminal 1 now, so that's where we're flying from. Just thought we'd give you a bit of an update. Hopefully we're not going to be too late now. Alright, so now we're in the right terminal. EasyJet flights are coming up. Because, I mean, that's why we thought we was in the wrong one, because there were no flights coming up before. But yeah, there we are. 2:25 as our flight number and information. So relax. Let's go and relax. So we are through, and it actually took quite a while to get through security. About was it about half an hour?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. So they was going quite slow, but also they was going very slow in the Burger King, so it took ages to get it. But anyway, we've got it. I'll flip you around. I'll show you what we got. We've gone for a chicken, bacon, and cheese royale. Put another patty on it though. You got to have a double. I've gone for obviously chips, and I've got a Dr Pepper there. Jess has gone for basically the same, just without the double patty, isn't it? There we go. We are off. A bit late, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's a bit delayed.
15 minutes.
Yeah. So obviously it was maybe 25 past, but it's about 2:45 now. So yeah, but we're off. There we go. Jess has got the window seat.
Of course.
I wasn't allowed it, you see. Wasn't allowed it. Yeah.
No.
Well, they said it was going to be about an hour and 5 minutes. So yeah, hopefully without any delays. Should be a nice short flight. Beverages acquired. So they got Costa Coffee on board. Gone for a latte with a twirl. And Jess has gone for a Sprite. And when I say obviously, it's because she always does.
That's going to ruin the customer face.
I feel like every time I come in here, it feels a lot smaller. I think it's just because I'm getting bigger. But to be honest, I can actually stand up from it. Sometimes you can barely. Here we go, toilet review. Got a sink with a nice LED lights. Soap. Your paper towels. Obviously your toilet and your toilet roll there. But yeah, it's a lovely mirror. So I think we're landing in about, well, probably just under half an hour now. It's gone really quick. So yeah, we'll update you once that happens. Coffee was nice. We have arrived. We're gonna get the bus now to the terminal. Good flight though, all in all. Nice landing, weren't it?
Very smooth.
Very smooth. Got the bus. So we've just had an extremely stressful experience.
It's been awful.
But anyway, cut a long story short, we're on the train now and we're going to change and we've got like 2 stops.
Swap over.
We're going to swap over, yeah, basically. So we're on this one now for a few stops and then we swap to go to Valdior.
Got my map.
Yeah, Jess has got our map now,
Very
so
happy with my
should be
map.
all good.
Yeah.
Geographer and a map.
That's all I needed.
Here we go. We have arrived. at last. Seems like forever, to be honest. To be honest, it was the train station, wasn't it? That's what messed us up.
Oh, yeah.
We was in there for about an hour, and
Nothing was in English, so it was
and then we had to get and then we had to get an alternative train, which had like a couple of different changes. Well, one different change it was, and then it had like so many stops. But yeah, finally made it into the room. We're gonna show you. We'll take you around for a room tour. We have booked this on Airbnb, and we're staying in an apartment block. Is it Jess?
yeah.
Yeah, an apartment block. There we go. So there we go. Going into the toilet first. What have we got? We've got some pictures up there. We've got quite a large sink there. Let's have a look in the drawers. You got a hairdryer, plenty of toilet roll there, and then just some extra storage there in the bottom. You got your heated towel rail there. There's me. And then look at this shower. It's a big shower, and we've got complimentary shampoo and shower gel. So that's always a nice touch to see. Yeah, quite a modern design, and definitely quite a big shower to get a couple of us in there. Alright, so now let's take you into the... Well, we'll show you these wardrobes first. It's got all your hangers. We've got a hoover in there and a mop and bucket. It's in this side. Just loads of storage. Something there at the bottom. And then we make into the main room itself, where we've got our kitchen over there. And then we've got the bed with a nice view. Let's have a look. Here we go. Plenty of trees out there. Oh yeah, this is what we've got to show you. So on the key itself, there's a nice little Minnie Mouse on there. So obviously, that's where we're going, Disneyland. We've got complimentary tea, coffee, some biscuits. And then into the main sort of kitchen itself. We've got a microwave, kettle, coffee machine. Obviously the coffee pods are used for. All your glassware. We've got in here storage. Some bin. Got a bin in there. And then, oh, we've got gold cutlery. Gold plated cutlery in here. Jess? I've not seen them before. I don't think I've seen gold ones before. There we go. Plates, some pans, and then got a fridge. And there we go. So there we go, that does conclude travel day. All in all, pretty good. It was just after the flight that messed us up in that train station. Yeah. That was where we wasted a load of time. But anyway, we're finally here. What is it? 8 o'clock? 9 o'clock? 8:30. There we go, 8:30. So yeah, then obviously we did have a bit of a delay on the flight as well. So, but wasn't too long, was it?
No, wasn't too bad.
But yeah, this is where we're staying, and then, well, this is where we're staying to go to Disneyland, and then we're having a swap, aren't we, about halfway through?
Yeah.
Because we're going into more towards the centre then. But yeah, staying here for the first bit of the holiday to go to, obviously, Disneyland Paris and the Walt Disney Studios Park. Looking forward to it.
Very excited.
Yeah, we're going there tomorrow, aren't we?
Yeah, and then the day after.
Yeah, there we go. If you all did enjoy this video, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.